Have you ever been working on the formatting of your document and needed some sample text? Many of us would just type some jibber jabber to get some sample text in there, but did you know there's a better way with a secret function? Here, let me show you. What you can do instead is insert a function similar to the functions in Excel. Now, you can start off by typing the equal sign. The name of the function is rand, R-A-N-D, which stands for random. And similar to Excel, you open the parentheses, then you tell it the number of paragraphs that you want, comma, and the number of sentences you want per paragraph. You can then close the parentheses and press enter. And look at that. It has now entered some sample content for you without having to type any jibber jabber.